Starting a home baking business is exciting, but before you dive in, you need a game plan. Are you baking as a side hustle, or do you want to turn this into a full-time business? How much do you need to make? And what happens when your business starts to grow? In this video, we'll break down how to set clear business goals so you can build a home bakery that fits your life. Before you dive into running a home baking business, it's important to decide what you want it to be. Are you looking for a side hustle that brings in extra income, or do you want to build a full-time business? Both paths are completely valid, but they require different levels of time, effort, and planning. A side hustle is perfect if you love baking but aren't ready to commit full-time. Maybe you have another job or family commitments, and you just want to take occasional orders. In this case, you can be selective about what you offer, take on fewer customers, and keep things low pressure. On the other hand, if your goal is to make baking your full-time job, you'll need to treat it like a business from day one. That means thinking about marketing, building a customer base, and setting up pricing that supports long-term sustainability. It also means being prepared for the challenges of working for yourself, from managing inconsistent income to handling all the behind-the-scenes work that goes beyond just baking. There's no right or wrong choice, just what works best for your lifestyle and goals. Some home bakers start with a side hustle and slowly transition to full-time as demand grows. Others dive in completely and commit to making it their main income source. Either way, getting clear on your long-term vision will help guide every decision you make moving forward. Once you've decided whether your home baking business will be a side hustle or full-time, the next step is setting clear income goals and understanding your order capacity. Without a plan, it's easy to take on too much or not enough to make your business sustainable. Start by thinking about how much money you actually want to make. If this is a side hustle, are you aiming for an extra few $100s a month? If it's a full-time business, how much do you need to replace a regular salary? Knowing this number helps you set realistic targets for your pricing and workload. Next, consider your order capacity. How many cakes, cookies, or cupcakes can you realistically produce each week without burning out? Keep in mind that baking is only part of the job. You also have to account for admin tasks, customer communication, and packaging. Overloading yourself with too many small orders can quickly lead to stress and reduced profits. Your income and order capacity go hand in hand. If you need to make a certain amount but don't have time for high order volume, you may need to focus on higher-priced custom orders rather than low-cost, labor-intensive products. Finding this balance ensures you meet your financial goals while still maintaining a schedule that works for you. By setting clear income goals and knowing your limits, you'll build a baking business that's both profitable and sustainable, without working yourself to exhaustion. Once your home baking business is up and running, you might start thinking about how to grow and scale over time. Growth doesn't have to mean opening a storefront. It can simply mean increasing profits, improving efficiency, or expanding your customer base while keeping your business manageable. One of the best ways to scale is by streamlining your production process. If you find yourself spending hours decorating intricate cookies for a small profit, consider offering simpler designs or batching your work more efficiently. Investing in better tools, like a larger mixer, more oven racks, or pre-cut packaging, can also help you increase output without adding extra hours to your workday. Another way to grow is by expanding your product range. If you specialize in cookies, could you offer complementary items like dessert boxes or seasonal treats? If your business is thriving with custom orders, you might introduce pre-designed options to reduce workload while still increasing sales. Marketing also plays a big role in scaling. If you're relying solely on word of mouth, consider improving your social media presence, optimizing your website, or even partnering with local businesses. The more people who see your work, the more potential customers you'll attract. Finally, growth should align with your personal and financial goals. Expanding too quickly can lead to burnout, so it's important to scale at a pace that feels right for you. Whether it's hiring an extra set of hands, moving into a commercial kitchen, or simply increasing your pricing, growth should support your business, not overwhelm it. Defining your business goals early makes everything else easier: your pricing, your schedule, and even how you grow. Whether you're starting small or aiming for something bigger, A clear plan will help you stay on track. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more baking business tips.